I really need someone to trade with. Oh, rich one. I want to trade with. Hello, can I trade with you?
Yes.
I'm gonna trade you this normal dumpling. Oopsies. We trade you this DIY butter.
What is that? That's the white light.
It's a DIY one. It's decorated with paper.
This one.
What are you gonna trade me with that?
What Red.
Add or accept or X. I trade you this needle.
This way. Bugs.
Accept.
Ito.
I'm gonna trade you. Ano iti-trade mo sa akin?
Wait
Ikaw
lang.
mo.
Wait lang.
Trade this butter. It's a real butter. Natanggal yung
This one, DIY. Ito na.
No.
Ayan.
X. No.
Jack lang hindi yan.
Okay.
This one. Bugs.
Oh, accept. Do you accept?
Bit. Bugs.
Yes, I have glitter dumplings now. Bye-bye.